Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaggy Crochet. Today I am bringing for you a very beautiful and exclusive collection of crochet, granny square, crochet tops, crochet different types and styles of crochet necklines. I hope you like my video and my video also giving you a very beautiful patterns and color combination ideal for you. I try my best to deliver an elegant design and pattern of crochet tops, crochet collar, neckline, and different styles of cardigan, mini cardigan, and tops. There are many colors which combines the art of combinations. I hope you like my video and support my channel if you like. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and also share your comment if you like. My patterns, my designs, and handmade embroidery which I uploaded for you. Thank you so much for watching and giving me time. Again, thank you so much. Love you all. Keep smiling. Stay healthy and happy. Allah Hafiz.